Excellency Anna Ferry, Mayor Joy Belmonte, Miss Mariana Zobel de Ayala, Mr. Paul Burkett, Mr. Nathan Clark, Mr. Ricardo Piñero, Mr. Daniel Rivero, Mr. Jello Gaka. Alright. Everyone, let's count down together as we officially open the IKEA Plan and Order Shop in TriNoma. Alright, we have to pause for a while for the picture taking.
Everybody look in the middle, please.
Alright, just a few more minutes. I know everyone is excited. Alright, at the count of 3, please count with me. 3,